If you use Chrome every day, your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, history, and settings can become a huge part of your workflow. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up all Chrome data, settings, and bookmarks the right way. We'll cover the easiest cloud backup method using Chrome Sync, how to export bookmarks as a local file, and how to back up your full Chrome profile folder for a complete offline copy. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's get into it. The first and most recommended method is using Chrome Sync. This is the easiest way to protect your Chrome data because it saves things like bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, autofill data, and browser settings to your Google account. That means if you sign in on another computer or reinstall Chrome later, your data can come back automatically. To start, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the profile icon. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a sign in option. If you are already signed in but sync is not enabled, you may see turn on sync. Click that option to continue. Next, enter the Google account email and password that you want to use for the backup. Once Chrome asks for confirmation, click Yes, I'm in. This tells Chrome to begin syncing your browser data to the cloud. Now, if you want to customize exactly what gets backed up, go into Chrome Settings, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose Settings. On the left side, click You and Google. From there, open Sync and Google Services, and then click Manage what you sync. In most cases, the best choice is to turn on Sync Everything. That way, Chrome will back up your bookmarks, passwords, history, tabs, extensions, themes, and settings all at once. If you prefer more control, you can manually choose specific items instead. Once you've selected your options, Chrome will continue syncing in the background. The second method is for people who want a local backup of just their bookmarks. This is a great option if you want an offline file you can store on a USB drive, external hard drive, or another cloud service. It's simple, fast, and very useful if you only care about saving your bookmark list. To do this on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and O at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Option, and B. This opens the Bookmark Manager. Once you're there, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager window. Click those dots, then choose Export Bookmarks. Chrome will let you save the bookmarks as an HTML file. Pick a folder on your computer or external drive, give the file a clear name, and save it. That HTML file can later be imported back into Chrome or even another browser if needed. The third method is the most complete local backup because it saves your entire Chrome profile folder. This is the best option if you want an offline copy of everything stored locally, including profile data and potentially open tab information. Keep in mind that Chrome must be fully closed before doing this, or the files may not copy correctly. First, close Google Chrome completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. On Windows, press Windows key and R to open the run box. Then paste this path. %local app data /Google /Chrome /user data and press enter. On Mac, open Finder, press Command, Shift and G, then paste this path /library /application support /Google /Chrome and press enter. Inside that folder, look for the main profile folder. It may be called default if you use one profile or profile 1, profile 2, and so on if you have multiple Chrome profiles. This folder contains a lot of your local Chrome data. To back it up, simply copy the folder and paste it somewhere safe, such as an external hard drive, a backup drive, or a cloud folder on your computer. If you want to be extra safe, you can back up the entire Chrome folder instead of only one profile folder. One important thing to remember is that Chrome Sync and local backups do different jobs. Chrome Sync is best for convenience, automatic cloud syncing, and restoring your data on any device. Exporting bookmarks is best for a quick offline backup of just your saved sites. Copying the profile folder is best if you want a more complete manual backup of local Chrome data. If possible, use more than one method so you have multiple layers of protection. Also, after making your backup, it's a smart idea to check that your data actually saved correctly. For Sync, make sure your Google account is connected and Sync is active. For bookmarks, open the HTML file once to confirm it's saved properly. And for the profile folder, make sure the copied folder is present in your backup location and has the expected files inside it. So now you know how to back up all Chrome data, settings, and bookmarks using 3 different methods. If you want the easiest option, use Chrome Sync. If you want a local bookmark backup, export the HTML file. And if you want the fullest offline copy, back up your Chrome profile folder. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to restore your Chrome backup step by step in the next video.